Unraveling the mystery, like a rolling stone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring the intriguing phrase, like a rolling stone. It's a phrase rich in meaning and history, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its literal meaning, but also its cultural significance. Let's roll into it. At first glance, like a rolling stone, conjures up the image of a stone or rock that's rolling on the ground. Literally, it suggests movement and lack of attachment. Stones, when rolling, don't stay in one place. They keep moving, driven by external forces. This physical imagery sets the stage for a deeper exploration of the phrase's metaphorical meanings. When we delve into the metaphorical meaning, like a rolling stone, describes a person who is always moving, not tied down to any one place, job, or set of beliefs. It can imply freedom and independence, suggesting someone who doesn't conform to societal norms or expectations. However, it can also suggest instability, loneliness, and a lack of connections or responsibilities. The phrase, like a rolling stone, was popularized by Bob Dylan's iconic 1965 song of the same name. Dylan's lyrics transformed the phrase into a symbol of rebellion and a critique of societal norms. It became an anthem for those feeling disillusioned with the status quo, capturing the spirit of the 1960s counterculture movement. This song's influence has cemented the phrase into modern English, enriching its meanings and implications. Today, when someone uses the phrase, like a rolling stone, they might be referencing Dylan's song directly or using it to describe a lifestyle that's free from conventional restraints. It's important to understand the context in which it's used, as it can express both admiration for someone's independence and a critique of their lack of direction or purpose. We hope this exploration of, like a rolling stone, has given you a deeper appreciation for the richness of the English language and its phrases. Whether it's the freedom and independence of rolling wherever life takes you or the deeper historical and cultural layers added by Bob Dylan's music, this phrase is a perfect example of how language evolves and reflects the times. Thanks for watching, and keep rolling on your journey to mastering English.